Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm going to look at a new screen capture utility that has recently been released, and that is an application called Xnapper. Now Xnapper is a Mac app. There is an iOS app in beta currently as well. However, because it is indeed in beta, we're not going to take a look at that today, just the Mac version. However, once it's fully released, I'm sure we'll come back and touch on it. For now though, let's take a look at how we can get Xnapper on our machine. So right now I'm on the Xnapper website, and please take a note of how it's spelled. It is spelled Xnapper, but pronounced Snapper. And I'm on the pricing page right now. It's just been released as I record, which means there is a launch discount there. Although of course there's no guarantee this is going to be there once the video is released. Then further down we have some pricing options. So on the far left we have the basic license, which is $30, and that allows you to use the app on one device. Then the next two options, which are personal and standard, go up in increments of $10 each, and they increase the number of machines that you can use Xnapper on by one. Then finally, on the far right, we have a team option, which is $5 per device per month. Then further down on the page, we have some questions related to the licensing. And we can see it does indeed have a perpetual license, so you can keep using the software if a new updated version comes out. And you also get a year of free updates. And there are also some pricing options for upgrading your license prior to the year end for a reduced price. If I close this, however, we can see that I have Setup open, and Xnapper has just been added to the Setup subscription. So I'll click Open to run it for the first time. Now Xnapper will need permission to record the screen, and if I click on Open Permissions panel, I'm taken straight to the security and privacy screen. Now I'll click the padlock to allow me to make some changes, and because I'm on my MacBook Pro, I'll use Touch ID to authenticate, and just check the box next to Xnapper there. And with that done, the preferences screen opens straight away. Now I do have a lot on my screen here, so I'm just going to quickly pause, tidy up before we carry on.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.